guys, in this video, I will show you how commissions and spreads affect the profitability of your trades. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so for this one, we will be checking out Investopedia, and actually I will put this in the description of the video, and also I will show you a trading platform that you could go ahead and check. That will definitely give you the best offer in terms of commissions and spread. That way you could get as much profits from your trades as you can. So guys, starting off with commissions and spreads, those are the two most important transaction costs in trading. Okay, so both of which directly impact a trader's profitability. So just like what I mentioned, if you are not doing your trades in the right online trading platform, then that will definitely affect, because some trading platforms has a really huge commissions and spreads, which will then be taken out of the profit that you are going to get. So high commissions can significantly reduce the returns, and particularly for active traders that are executing frequent trades. So for scalpers, traders, or day traders, those are the type of traders that are actually greatly affected. So whether you are those, or even if you're just hodling, you should find an online trading platform that has the best offer. That way you could maximize your profitability. Okay, so similarly, wider spreads, defined as the difference between the bid and the ask price, raise the threshold needed to break even, which requires more substantial price movements to achieve profit. So again, you know, if say for example you're just getting 2-3% profit, those will just be taken out in terms of the commissions and the spread. So for traders such as the scalpers who rely on small price fluctuations, these costs can quickly accumulate, and market experts, including OSL and TastyFX, note that the spreads often reflect market volatility and liquidity, making broker selection even more critical. Now, to optimize profitability, traders must carefully evaluate both spreads and commissions when choosing a broker, and platforms that are offering low or zero commission trading and competitive spreads are essential, especially for those that are trading at high volumes or with limited capital. So as emphasized by Investopedia, guys, aligning trading cost with one strategy is the #1 key. Now, let me show you this, guys. This is PU Prime. So PU Prime exemplifies this trader-first approach. Now, as a global fintech leader, PU Prime delivers cutting-edge online trading solutions across a wide range of asset classes. So with a team of more than 100 professionals and an ever-expanding international presence, the company offers powerful tools, responsive multilingual support, and transparent pricing structures. And built on core values such as the client-first service, innovation, and transparency, PU Prime has actually earned multiple industry awards, and the company also supports ESG initiatives reflecting its commitment to responsible growth. Now, trusted by the traders worldwide, guys, PU Prime continues to raise the standard for online trading platforms. And again, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check them out. They have a lot of information in their website that will definitely be very, very helpful for you to know more who they are, what they do, and what are the things that they could do for them to help you out in your trade. So you have this one's right here as well. In case you have the spreads and the commissions and the swaps, you would be able to check that one out here as well. So Forex, indices, metals, commodities, shares, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies are here. This is a one-stop trading platform that you need to go ahead and check out. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.